so next stop. Where exactly? What is this place called? I don't even know.
I have forgotten my phone. This is Badwater.
Alright, go grab it. Alright, while Keith forgot his phone, we'll go check out the sign. I don't know if you can see, no pun intended, but sea level. There's a sign somewhere there. It goes to show how far up we are. Or far down. I can't speak, it's been a long day. Kind of see, I guess there's calcium, all these minerals behind me. That's where we're gonna go out to. It was a beautiful drive in here. Probably one of the best rides we've had so far. As far as scenery, we did Artist Drive, which we'll see some footage of. And then just riding along these snow caps has been amazing. All right, let's do it.
Yeah. The white was all the way out here. You didn't have this whole little path to get out to it.
What changed?
I don't know. It slowly got stomped down, and that made a lot of it kind of start disappearing. And people started four-wheeling their cars out in it and stuff like that, and then just kind of turned into this. Walked one time for hours straight out. You can actually hit West Side Road on the other side of this thing. We kind of passed it. It's like a dirt road that goes all the way along the back side of this.
Oh, okay. What was the natural bridge that we passed? Is there anything up
hiking
there?
trail. It's just like canyon trail, hiking trails.
Okay.
Yeah, there's probably a dozen different hikes you can do up and down this road.
Yeah.
There's one I'd like to take you guys on. It's called, there's a Sidewinder in Willow just up the road.
Yeah.
But it's a couple miles in and out.
Okay.
But I'm not sure we got time for it. Let's do some real walking.
Brian's feeling pretty tired, so I think just scenic ride's good. Trying to get an epic shot here. No people around. Some snow caps in the background. Let's frame it up. Let's see what we can get. It's funny because everybody's going over to this water. I guess that's rare over here. And we're just trying to get a good picture. I don't necessarily need to see water. Let's frame it out. Let's see what we got. Look at this. Wow. That's what I was saying. Everybody's trying to go to the water and we're out here by ourselves.